Good day po sa lahat. Our devotion po sa oras po ito ay makikita po siya sa Psalms 91 verse 1 to 2. He who dwells in the secret place of the Most High shall abide under the shadow of the Almighty. I will say of the Lord, He is my refuge and my fortress, my God, in Him I will trust. So, where is your secret place? Dati po, napanood ko po yung secret place ni ex-President Duterte. Yung po kanyang secret place, nandun po siya sa kabila ang bundok sa Davao. Hindi po minention kung saan sa Davao, pero nasa bundok po siya. Talagang napakaganda po yung kanyang secret place. Talagang secured po siya doon. Doon po siya nagpapahinga, doon yung pagka may problema daw siya, doon siya nagpupunta. At the same time, nare-relieve daw si Digong sa kanyang problema. Yun ang kanyang pinaka-secret place. So, isa rin pong secret place na example, na picture po dito, kung alam niyo po yung inahing manok, ginagather niya po yung kanyang mga sisiw under sa kanyang feather at nandun po lahat yung kanyang mga sisiw. So, kung titingnan po natin doon, napaka-safe din po ng mga sisiw doon sa kanyang inahing manok. Tayo naman po tayo po as a Christian, as a believer, tayo po ang ating pinaka-secret place ay na kay Jesus Christ. Rest in the shadow of the Almighty, in the presence of God. God is always surrounding with us. He is everywhere to be with you and protect you. Yung the shelter is given to us, sabi nga po, na walang sino man or no enemy or anything that can harm us, and we can rest assured that we can rest in the shadow of God. Literally, if you are in the shadow of anything, it doesn't give much protection at all, but look, but it is an image. When you are close enough to the shadow of God, our protector is on us and will keep us safe. As a child of God, you can wake up every day and you can claim that you are my refuge and my fortress as a daily reminder of God's protection over our life. And every person and every believers in God dwells in the secret place of the shelter of His almighty kingdom. In Him we can find strength, in Him we can find peace, and in Him we can find safety. Doon po natin pwedeng sabihin na He is my refuge and my fortress. God bless everyone po.